Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Meta Quest 3 to Mac in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this thing that your Meta Quest 3 does not fully support Mac operating system for PC VR gaming because the official Quest Link software is only available on Windows. However, you can still connect it to Mac for file transfer and limited functionality. For that, first of all, you need to connect your Meta Quest 3 to your Mac using a USB cable. Then you need to put on the headset and you will see the prompt asking for USB access. So you just have to simply select the option of allow to grant the permission. Now on your Mac, the headset will appear as a connected storage device, allowing you to transfer the files like videos, screenshots, and medias. You can also install the SideQuest application on your Mac. Then you can enable the developer mode on your Quest 3. Then you can connect it via USB and open SideQuest. This allows you to install the applications, manage the files, and even access the advanced features. Alternatively, you can use a wireless method. For that, you can open your browser on your Mac and access your headset via supported tools or web interferences that allows wireless file management when both the devices are on the same network. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.